Hi, I'm Austin with Drive Autogroup. I'm here to tell you about the Shield Certified Pre-Owned program. All of the cars that qualify for the pre-owned program come with a number of great benefits that keep you, the customer, protected long term. It's going to leave you asking, why would you buy a used vehicle anywhere else? All vehicles that qualify for the Shield Certified program are eligible for 2.9% financing over 24 months, an exclusive offer from us. You won't find anything lower anywhere else. Did you know that the average internal combustion engine has over 200 moving pieces, including belts, chains, pistons, and so much more? All Shield certified vehicles come with a lifetime engine warranty, available only from Drive Autogroup. We want you to love your pre-owned vehicle, so the Shield Exchange program allows Shield certified vehicles to be exchanged within 15 days or 500 kilometers, whichever comes first. With over 1,000 vehicles in stock, we're sure we're going to be able to find you one that you will love. The Shield Certified 365-day guarantee helps you buy with confidence for the first year or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. If any wearable components on your vehicle need to be replaced, we will do so free of charge. Wearable components on your vehicle include belts, tires, brake pads, and wiper inserts. We use independent third-party software to ensure that the vehicle you're buying is competitively priced with other similar models in the area. This allows you to buy with confidence, knowing you're getting a fair price on an amazing vehicle. You can feel confident that your Drive Shield certified vehicle is reliable and safe. In order to qualify for Drive Shield certification, all vehicles must pass a 120-point inspection performed by a factory-certified technician. At Drive Autogroup, we promise to use our Shield certified program to protect you during your used vehicle shopping experience. Why buy a used vehicle anywhere else?